Welcome to Bold Story Press and Xander Press's Posting on Facebook video. To create a post, navigate to Home. Then click the plus button at the top right. Click Post. Here you can pick your audience. The options are Public, Friends, Friends Accept, Specific Friends, and Only Me. I will select Public to reach as many people as possible. Then click Done. Here you can type text for a post. You can change the background by clicking the squares below. If you want a photo to accompany your post, click Gallery. Click Continue. You can select Limit Access, allow full access, or don't allow. Allowing full access is faster, but if you only want Facebook to be able to see certain photos and videos, limit access is better. I will select Limit Access and give Facebook permission to access these few images. Now you can select images to accompany your post. Once you've selected your images, click Next. At the bottom middle, you can choose your layout. I will stick with Classic. If you click Music, you can add music to your post. If you have a specific song in mind, you can search for it. Here, Facebook makes song recommendations based on popular music. It's a good idea to use trending music because the algorithm might show your content to more users because it contains music people like listening to. However, don't choose music that doesn't fit your post or message. Think about the mood you want to project on your viewers and make the decision from there. If you click People, you can tag other accounts. If you click Location, you can add a location to your post. If you click Feeling Activity, you can select a feeling to add to the post. I will pick Happy. If you click Fundraiser, you can add a nonprofit donation button to your post. If you click Album, you can include an album of photos in your post. When you finish designing your post, click Post in the bottom right corner. If you connect your Instagram and Facebook accounts, you can have your Facebook posts automatically shared to Instagram too. If you connect your accounts, you can post on Facebook from Instagram as well. Watch our Linking Instagram to Facebook video to learn more. If you navigate to Home, click your profile icon on the top left and scroll down, you will be able to see your post.